My first experience with the universal robots was pretty amazing. I kind of liked it because it was more of that hands-on. I just never seen nothing like it, especially like up close. You get to do stuff on your own. You get to learn how it moves. What you see on TV, finally, you're doing it. So it's like how easy it really is, but it makes it look so complicated.
I thought it was gonna be a whole lot of technology involved, but it's mainly on the tablet, so that was pretty cool.
We have different applications. As you can see here, we have the CNC machine. We're working to program it, to open door, place parts in. We're looking to do some VR. You'll see a total environment that emulates what you see out in the industry. You'll see conveyor systems, you'll see robots picking up boxes, palletizing them. You'll see some autonomous robots picking parts and taking them to a storage location. We're trying to do some things that will jog the students' imagination, take them to the next level.
When UR first came in, one of the things I noticed right off the bat was there wasn't much of a learning curve to it. Well, it means first off, adaptation by the faculty is easier. With universal robots, training has been very accessible. We've been able to get our faculty sent to training.
So we got with ATC and Universal Robot. We found out that UR had an online version where the students can do the free learning with that curriculum. Was top-notch to me. We can take them right into the classroom and then we turn them loose in the lab.
Once the instructor is certified, they get access to the LMS, which has lab exercises for the students. And so we love that because that certification kit gives you really everything you need to make it through that certification curriculum.
The LMS is great. It's a very, very cutting-edge technology curriculum. I love the lab activities, how basically they're laid out step by step and pictures and everything for my students to interact with a certain objective. The kit that comes with the UR robot, that's helped us simulate a small-scale factory setting, but we can transfer it to a bigger scale version. It builds up the students' confidence to work with this type of equipment.
The universal robot is easy to get started using, but because of that, they're actually able to do a lot more of the complex things that you would see in industry that they aren't able to do with other brand robots. In some ways, can do more with the universal robot because of the input and output and how easy it is to connect with external devices.
The collaborative robot with the safety is very important to us. It can work there right with the students. The students can bump into it, the robot will stop, and then you can enable it again and get it back to its original program.
There's still safety measures that you need to incorporate, but it's more accessible. The students don't feel like there's a separation between them and the robot because they don't have the plexiglass case around the robot.
ATC and the UR robot, but whenever we have issues, they're right there. And so it's just a phone call away, not in a call center. They ask the right questions and they get us going again. We had an issue where the teach pendant had problems. We let them know. The next day we had a new teach pendant overnight.
When I walked in here and I saw these robots, I was like, oh, here's my chance. I feel like the sky's the limit. The world's changing. This is robotics. That's kind of where the world's headed towards, so we gotta get ahead of it.